Morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, April 2nd. Today, you are going to find out which national park you have for this unit, and we're going to set up our Google Slides for this presentation project. So, on Monday, you were supposed to fill out a Google form that stated your top 5 national parks you would like to do or you had interest in doing a presentation on. Many of you filled it out, and for many of you, you got your first or second pick. Some people did not fill it out, so then I randomly assigned them to a national park. To find out which national park you have been assigned, you're going to click on this link right here, this highlighted or red word that says spreadsheet, and it's going to take you to this page. As you can see, it is divided by groups A or B, and that stands for your blocks. So you're going to find your block, then you're going to go down until you see your name, and then go over, and that is the national park that you have. I am doing the National Park of American Samoa for our class example this year. After you find out which national park you have, you are going to find out what state it is in. What state it is in. Wow, what a mouthful. To do that, if you look at the bottom, you'll see that there's a tab called LensMayer, and that's the one that you're on right now. We want to go to the tab that says Choices. This is the first tab on the left-hand side. When you click on Choices, here are all the national parks and all the states that they are in. So you're going to find your national park. So here's my National Park of American Samoa, and here's the state it is in. If you notice, the American Samoa is actually not one of our 50 states. It is part of the state of Alaska. It's a island that goes with the state of Alaska. So my national park is actually on an island. Once you have your national park and you know the state it is in, we are going to create our Google presentation slides. So to do that, I'm going to go to my drive. I'm going to go to the correct folder, 6th grade science, and then I would create a new Google Slides presentation or a blank slide. Okay? Once you do that, once you have that up, we're going to name our presentation. To name our presentation, you're going to put your national park first, then you're going to put your last name. So again, to name your presentation, it's going to be your national park, then your last name. Then, today we're only going to do the first slide. And on the first slide, there's going to be 3 things. The first thing is going to be the name of your national park, which you found out by going to that link, that spreadsheet, and finding it. Then you're going to put the state that your national park was on, or in. Again, you went to the spreadsheet. Instead of being on this LensMayer tab, you clicked on the tab that says Choices, and you found your national park and then the state it was in. Then you're going to put a picture on your national park. Now, many of you guys are going to ask me the question, can I personalize my presentation? The answer is yes. You can pick any fonts, and you can make your text any color you want, your background any color you want. You can make the picture your background. Just remember that this is going to be a presentation, so you want it to look readable and presentable to other people. Once you have these 3 things on your first slide, you're going to take a screenshot of this slide right here, go back into Canvas, and you're going to submit that screenshot underneath the assignment called National Parks Google Slides. Okay, again, once you have your first slide done, which has the name of the national park, the state it's found in, and a picture, take a screenshot, go to your assignments in Canvas, and find the National Parks Google Slides and submit your screenshot there. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to watch a video that talks about natural versus man-made landforms. There are actually some real examples of landforms in the Midwest region in this video, and that's the region that we live in. It also gives you the answers from the activity that you did on Tuesday, which is really awesome. It's only about 3 minutes, so the video is pretty short itself. The final thing that I'm going to talk about, excuse me, in this video is that your Earth Science word journals are due April 7th on Canvas under the assignment Earth Science Word Journal. And the reason they're due April 7th is because on that day, you are going to be competing against all the other 6th graders in Pulaski Middle School with a game practicing the vocabulary. The final thing I want to say is make sure that you guys are getting outside, getting some fresh air, exercise, washing your hands, staying healthy. I miss you guys. Can't wait to see you soon. Bye, guys.